If you've ever had trouble getting into your quad lum, that bit of muscle that goes from your lower ribs down to your iliac crest, it's the front of your back muscles and it's the back of your front muscles, part of your core. And when we're seated, it literally does not move. So this is how you sort your quad lum. You want to be seated on something comfortable to protect your knee. You're going to have a hurdler position. Ideally, you've got 90 degrees here, you've got 90 degrees there, and this hand out to support you. To get to this, you essentially want to glide your ribs away from your pelvis. So if I'm going across like so, I'm trying to get as much glide with those ribs without my pelvis leaving the ground. Brilliant to involve your diaphragm. This is a really close anatomical structure. So deep inhale, exhale, inhale, in, exhale, inhale, exhale. Use your hand to pull yourself across. You can grab your knee to drive those ribs further across. Exhale. Once you've got as far as you think you can go, you should be able to get much further by adding some rotation in. So by that I mean exhale, and then rotate your ribs that way, rotate your ribs that way. Exhale. That's one plan. You can move your whole body forward and do exactly the same thing. The lateral glide, cross. You can rotate in this position. You can do the same thing behind yourself. Lateral glides, and then the rotation. That for me is gold. I'm straight into it there. Even if I eke out just 1 or 2 centimeters more motion, that is huge for this muscle. Get long, long in the spine. So I'm going not only across, I'm trying to get some length. I'm trying to create upwards motion as well as get across there. And you'll find you get right down into that quad lum. And then the rotation bit just adds that motion that it never gets when you're seated. Bang it out on both sides.